Good day, guys. I'm here to discuss to you or to give you some knowledge about this differential equation. So I will give some topics that is under the differential equation. So first, we will have or the topic that we will discuss is about linear equation. Linear equation. So we have the standard form written as dy over dx plus p of x y is equals to q of x, or y prime plus p of x y is equals to q of x. Then by that, first we will know or identify the value of the p of x and the q of x. So after imagine or assume that you already get the value of each, we will now proceed to the value of the if, or the integrating factor. The integrating factor formula written as if, or the integrating factor, equals to e raised to integral of p of x dx. Then after getting the integrating factor, then we will solve, or we can use the general solution, which is equal to y is equals to 1 over integrating factor times the integral of integrating factor times the q of x dx plus c. So this is the general solution. So for better understand, I will give some example. So we have example number 1. So we have y prime is equals to x minus 2y, or y prime is also a dy over dx. Then transpose, so we got dy over dx plus 2y is equals to x. Now we can see that we have the value of p of x and value of q of x. So we have the value of p of x of 2 and value of q of x of x. Then after getting the value of each, now proceed to integrating factor, which is e raised to integral of p of x dx. Then substitute e raised to the value of p of x, which is 2x dx, and the integrating factor is e raised to 2x. Now, after getting that, plug in it on the general solution, which is y is equals to 1 over integrating factor times integral of integrating factor times q of x dx plus c. Now, substitute each values. So y equals 1 over our integrating factor, which is e 2x, times the integral of our integrating factor times the value of q of x, which is x dx plus c. Now, multiply or distribute. So we have ye 2x equals to xe integral of xe to x dx plus c. Now, let u for the 2x, so we have let u is equals to x, du is equals to dx. Then dv is equals to e raised to 2x, and v is equals to 1/2 e raised to 2x. Now, by that we can by that values, we substitute it to u dv minus integral of d du. Then plug in. So u, which we have x, first we have y e 2x equals u, which is value of x, dv, which is e to x, minus integral of v, which is 1/2 e to x, then dx. Then after that, so we have ye to x is equals to 1/2 e to x minus integral of this, which is 1/4 e to x. Then multiply it by e, multiply it by e negative 2x to cancel out. So multiply it by 4e negative 2x to have a cancellation. So 4 times 4e negative 2x times ye 2x is equals to, so cancel, we have 4y, then equals to 4e negative 2x times 1/2 e to x is equals to, so cancel out, we have 2x. Then 1/4 e to x times 4e negative 2x, so cancel out. Then we have d plus ce negative 2x. So here is the final answer. So for example number 2, we have xp plus 3y dx minus x dy is equals to 0. So first, divide both sides for negative x dx. So we got xp over negative x plus 3y over negative x minus dy over dx is equal to 0. Then transpose, so dy over dx minus 3 over x y minus x to the 4th is equal to 0. Then transpose, you have dy over dx minus 3 over x y is equals to x4. Now we see that we have the value of p of x and the value of q of x. So p of x, which is negative 3 over x, or x raised to negative 3, or q of x is equals to x over 4. Now proceed, after getting the p of x and the q of x, proceed to integrating factor, which is equals to e raised to integral of p of x dx. Then substitute e raised to integral of p of x, which is x negative 3 dx. So we have e raised to negative 3 ln negative 3 ln x. Then we have equals to e raised to ln x raised to negative 3. Then cancel, then the integrating factor would be x to negative 3. Then after getting the integral factor, proceed now to the general solution, which is equal to y equals 1 over integrating factor times integral of integrating factor times q of x dx plus c. Then substitute y is equals to 1 over x to the negative 3 times integral of x negative 3 times the value of q of x is x4 dx plus c. Then distribute, we have y x negative 3 equals, so integral of x dx. Now plus c. Then we got the x negative 3. Integral of x dx is equals to x squared over 2 plus c over 2. Now, to have cancellation, we need to multiply it by 2x cubed. So, 2x cubed times yx negative 3 cancel. So, we have 2y equals 2x cubed times x squared over 2 is equals to, so cancel. So, x squared times x cubed is equals to x fifth plus c over 2 divide 2x cubed, so cancel. We have cx cubed. So, we got the final answer of 2y equals x fifth, x raised to fifth plus 6cx cubed. So, this is the final answer. So, next, our topic is the integrating found by inspection. So, we have here some formulas to remember by use for inspection. So, first, derivative of xy is equals to x dy plus y dx. Derivative of x over y is equals to y dx minus x dy over y squared. Then, the derivative of y over x is equals to x dy minus y dx over x squared. And the arctangent y over x is equals to x dy minus y dx over x squared plus y squared. And derivative of arctangent x over y is equals to y dx minus x dy over y squared plus y squared. So, those are the 5 formulas that can use in inspection, or 5 formulas to remember by integrating found by inspection. So, the only thing to remember in this topic is this is the combination of dx and dy, and also in the given, what is in outside is also what is in inside. So, to better understand, let me give you some examples. So, first,